What is in the middle of the water there? Just spud.
Mm-hmm.
It's a dead body.
Okay. I should make a compilation of Xavier zooming by. That would be great.
Why are you walking so fast?
How could you tell?
Cameras.
Yeah, but
Take a leak in the mirror? I'm learning to fly, but I don't have wings. Nancy, got to see your mommy. Very windy.
it's good for sailing. Do you want to do a tour or something?
No.
Just a baby. That's the meme of the day. Look at that dog. Is that a Doge? It's not a Shiba Inu? Yours yet? I didn't take yours yet. Get back there. This takes pictures too.
You're taking a video. I'm not an idiot. Take 4 for that rainbow yesterday. I was looking for it, but I couldn't find it.
Where is it?
Because my name is finally on stuff.
Even though it's not a Portuguese name. It's a Spanish name.
I gotta know,
And-
what made you name me this?
Because we were watching the opera when you were conceived.
Mom, I
We
don't
were
believe
not. You were inside an opera.
it.
when Carmen came out once in an opera.
That's not what
What?
you were like, this name doesn't work, but this name about
A Spanish.
You should have named her like.
a woman with an appetite for smuggling who seduces a young hopeless soldier.
Yes?
We were hoping that.
That was we were hoping. Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Carmen, you're gonna seduce young hopeless soldiers.
Dun 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum.
It's like a
Move yourself.
A TikTok. Oh, this is great. I can pretend I'm American. I'm gonna pretend I'm American. Is that a TikTok? Go down and walk around the Medina there and see if we can find me a nice messenger bag. You know, kind of just a little canvas. A little canvas bag. Yeah, I can carry things then. I thought we would bring some water and stuff. Does anybody want to check out the church real quick? Who are we missing?
Okay. When you guys sitting down at the
Where? What? This a pigeon?
Is this where we're gonna get some really awkward towels then?
Awkward towels.
Yeah.
No.
just bumped into that woman.
You,
Are we gonna go in?
I am definitely doing the super.
I really want to walk in.
You guys are such little trolls.
I got like pet pigeons up there.
Are those pigeons?
Look up. There's a guy with just pigeons next to me. Like a bunch of pigeons.
He's the pigeon king. The king of the pigeons.
I
Max?
riff for a sec there.
Max
Excuse
is
me.
doing farts back here.
I had to see how much it I don't know where we are. Is that a camel? It's got two humps on its back.
Oh, what a great picture there, Xavier. You need to get rid of that. For the right price. How much is she pay? What?
Not wrong sense.
Max.
The 80-year-old not compromise.
Yeah, I got these and stuffed them around in a bunch of crap. For a bunch of bucks.
I should have done that.
Why are you recording me?
I
Why are you
can't.
recording
Actually,
me?
I
Why are you-
can't.
We're in their restaurant here, but nobody here.
Where's our child? Your child is back there.
We'll go up and come back
really
down on the
good.
other side. What?
See that?
What?
That buckle yellow is really good.
Who said that?
I did.
Oh.
It's better kids are in the culture.
Huh? Have we what?
I've already tricked us into thinking that me splashing in the water was a bird, so. But doesn't really work.
What kind of?
So how come you asked her to take you?
Yeah, Xavier. That's okay. We're not allowed to take your picture.
See there, Carmi?
You didn't ask her parents' permission, Xavier.
I have, doesn't matter.
Strike a pose. There's nothing to it.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, not on.
Take the lens cap off.
Okay. You can have that over.
It's literally the same ones we have in Canada. Oh yeah, do it, baby. Arch your back a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Spin around again. Yeah. Shake it, baby.
I thought you were wearing quite literally.
Okay, go stand in the door.
You're taking a video on
Okay, we're done. Good job. That's it. It was just a video. I'm just a baby. No, that's
You're going to start in 30 seconds. Minutes. So now, instead of playing...
No, speak English.
You know how we used to play, how he plays Trent in midfield? Yeah. Now he's playing the right-footed left back in midfield.
Pam? He just put his finger up. The devil.
Why do I need to take your camera away? Because of your finger. I don't like fingers.
I'm gonna go in all his photos now.
Oh, Master Rahul.
What's the score, Max?
Hasn't started, that's the score.
The score is nothing. So when are we gonna go to go to the beach?
I don't know, someday. Wait, let him take his picture. It is Three's Company too. Dun-dun,
I
dun-dun,
thought it
dun.
was 2 hers and a his.
This is what you want to do, Xavier.
Big Dad, why are you in the middle of the freaking...
That's what.
Dad.
Centered over there. I get it centered. Like that.
She just likes to say aqueduct.
Excuse me, pardon me, come here. We've never really walked around up here before.
No.
Why do we have to...
Max, it's okay. We're enjoying being a
Why?
we're enjoying being a family together.
Is that guy like the Pope or something?
Which guy? Yeah, it does look like a pope, doesn't it?
Okay, thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Bye, Evan. Very loud American right now.
Yeah, Pam. Did y'all see the aqueduct?
Y'all see the aqueduct?
Wow. Jow Pargaletti.
At the lake house? No, my eyes were just opened, Max. I was not brainwashed. Lost.
Oh. Portuguese paving? Yeah, it's a student house. Yeah. There's much more down that way. Beep beep. Hello, strange woman in Portugal.
I have $1 for you.
What? $1.
Yeah.
Where's he going now?
So, yeah.
What? Oh, I thought he was leaving. The beater.
Keeping them some for them.
Oh, that's pretty.
In a sea of beige, you can be a green.
Oops. Well, you're not allowed to land it.
I know, but I didn't have permission to video either. But I did, and then I asked permission to video.
Dad, I think that is very realistic if I had to say so.
Doesn't matter. It's only reference. Hey, Carmen. El punk es mayor que Dios. What does it mean?
Doesn't it mean punk is better than God?
Yeah.
What? Punk is better than rock? Is that what it said?
Oh, that's a good one.
University
Yeah, I know, they're so deep. So deep. I like this, how they have missing signs for politicians. Free Palestine.
There's one up there except for
Your mom. What did he do? Oh, dog-shaped dog.
This is a message about Israel, but I don't understand.
Switzerland versus England, yeah. Wait up for me there, Pam Borges. Oh my God. Pam. I'll stick him down that way. Whichever way. Down that.
Okay, let's just go. Down here?
Yeah, sure, whichever. All roads lead to Rome, Xavier. Hi, Carmen. Fancy meeting you here.
Mais pura rotina jaz gritar em teu nome, virar, lapidar o sonho até gerar o som, como querer caetania o que há de bom.
How's your legs?